So I have $100. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the easy crash machine. Let's see how this thing goes. Hopefully I'm able to run this thing up. Or at least double it, right? All right, let's see. We're not even gonna play our pass line. We're just gonna go ahead and go out there. Oops. Here we go. $100 out. Let's smack right now. Let's go. That's a six. Made us $11. That's almost nothing though. Let's just go ahead and run it all up. 111 out. Let's freaking go. Mando, here we go. 127 out. We don't care what numbers we added. Nice. That's an eight. Whatever. 143 out. Let's go. Don't you? Let's go. All right. I wish we would have had our hard ways up, but it is what it is. Here we go. 173 out. Oh, let's freaking go. That's an eight. Banger. Banger, banger, banger. All right. That's $200. That was pretty easy. Let's do it all over again.